So for this tutorial, we are going to look at some keyboard shortcuts that we can do to help with whatever you're doing on a Mac. Macs work a little bit differently than Windows devices, so these keyboard shortcuts will help you navigate around the Mac easier and also help you learn the few subtle differences there are between Mac and iOS. Well, Mac and Windows, excuse me. So, first and foremost, on a Mac, you'll notice that the magic mice that we use here do not have a right click. It's only a left click only. So anytime you are doing anything on the Mac, anytime you need to right click, you're going to want to press Control on the keyboard and then click. Doing that will have that right click option for you to do whatever you need. So if I am somewhere here and I'm using anything where I need to copy and paste anything, what you need to do that's different from a Windows device is, say I'm typing something and I want to save a URL. To select all, you select Command A. That will select everything that you typed in that box. To copy it, it is Command C. And if I were to paste it, it would be Command V. Remember, any command that you want to do that would be copy and pasting or anything like that would be Command and then whatever your keyboard option is. Compared to if you're on a Windows, it would be Control. Remember, on a Mac, it is Command. There are two command buttons on each side of the spacebar. If you are, again, trying to right-click, you can also Control-click. There will bring you your right-click option so that you can, do what you need to do in terms of right-clicking on a keyboard.